Hey everybody, this is Victor Lewis with 5150 Mobile Chip Repair Services. I'm going to do a video on fixing a chip here on a pretty nice pickup truck here. I'm going to show you a couple things. When you're looking through the camera, you can see these dark spots. Alright, that's where I got to put the resin. First thing I'm going to have to do is drill a hole through the first layer of the windshield, and then I can insert the resin. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Alright, wipe that clean. Okay, now I got my pilot hole. What I have here is a bridge. This is where I insert the resin. I use this aluminum bridge to hold the plunger. Center that over the hole. Okay. Alright, here we go. This is my plunger. As you can see, it looks like a syringe. I put some liquid resin in it. What I do is I insert it into here. What I'm going to point out as I'm doing this black spot, if you can see it in the windshield, I will fill that void. We'll see if we can do this with my hand out of the way. And there it goes, it's disappearing. Hopefully we can see that on the camera, because I can't really watch the camera and do the same time. So and there it goes, it's filling it up. Okay, and sometimes the chips are a little bigger than what they appear, so I will have to add a little more resin. What I'm going to do, I'm going to throw this towel over so the resin doesn't start to cure, and then I can't insert any more resin. So give me a moment here while I get some more in my syringe, or my plunger, however you want to call it. We got a beautiful day. Today's the 5th of July. I hope everybody had a nice 4th of July, safe one. Nobody got hurt. Enjoyed family and friends. I figured since it's a pretty relaxing day for everybody, I'd come out here and provide a little service for people. They aren't in a rush to go to work or get home from work. Pretty good day. I've had a lot of people stop in today. I think this is my 6th or 7th one, and I've only been here, I think, 2 hours tops. So they say 6 out of 10 windshields have chips or cracks in them. I don't know if that's you, but hopefully after you see this video and see how quick and easy the process is. And again, I'm explaining here. I can even go a little quicker, but just want you to see how this is done so you feel secure to actually have me come out and fix it. I can also come to your place. If you're busy, you got to mow the lawn, take care of the kids, no daycare provider, and don't want to leave the house, I can actually come to your residence. You just set up the appointment with me through Facebook, or you can call me directly on my cell phone, which is 517-599-7333. Alright, that is completed. So now what I'll do is I'll take an ultraviolet light and I will cure the resin that I just injected into the hole. Hold on, a little bit more here. Alright, that is good. Now here's my ultraviolet light. I cure the resin. Please do not stare into this light. It will burn your eyeballs. Probably not through this video, but it's the same light that you use to get a tan. So we'll give that a minute. I'm going to put pause here so you don't have to watch that whole thing. Okay, I'm back. We've had the light on there for about a minute and a half. That's about all I need. What I do is I remove the light, release the pressure, undo that, take this. Now there's one more thing we need to do is we're going to cap off the entry hole here. Put a little more resin there. Take this little piece of plastic, cover like that, and I'll put the light back on it. And then this will only take like 30 seconds, so let me put it on pause again. Okay, I'm back. I took the light off. Take this. I scrape the excess off. Looks like I put a little too much on there. Bada boom, bada bang. Now what you have here is it looks like a little bug on your windshield you just hit. And that's it. Let me take a little bit of polish, try to polish that up a little bit. Take a towel, clean it. And there you have it, folks. And that's the finished product. That's with the mirror. Take the mirror out there. And this is what you have right here. I'll show it to you. And that's what the repair looks like from the inside. And that's what the repair looks like on the inside. Easy as that, man. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video. We will see you soon. Look us up on Facebook, 5150 Mobile Chip Repair Services. Like it. You'll get updates where I'm going to be located and the times and dates and stuff like that. And hopefully I can take care of your chip in your windshield. God bless. Talk to you soon. Bye.